Hello everyone, I ARTI BAJAJ, faculty in MCA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on structures in C language. So, as we know that array can be used to represent a group of data items that belong to the same type. However, we cannot represent a collection of data items of different types using array. So, if we need to use a single name to refer to a collection of different data type items, it is not possible to do so using an array. So, C has a convenient tool which is called structure to handle a group of data items that are logically related. For instance, to represent a student completely, we would have roll number, name, department, subjects and etc. so many attributes, and we can define a structure called the student with a set of attributes that are used to define a student. So, some examples where the concept of structure can be utilized are book. In the book, we define title, author, price and publisher. Another one is customer. In the customer, we define name, contact number, city, category. And another one is date. In this, we define day, month and year. Let's define a structure. Unlike the array, structure must be defined first for their format that may be used later to declare the variable of a structure. The general format for the structure is like struct keyword, then tag name. In the braces, we define the data type as well as with the members. Data type member 1, data type member 2 and so on with the closing braces and semicolon. Where struct is a keyword and tag name is the name of the structure. That will be used as a structured data type. And the data type represent any valid C type and the member 1, member 2 all are any valid C identifiers. For example, of the structure definition, struct book. Book is the tag name. In this, we include like first is title of the book, which define as the data type char, title for the size 30, char author for the size 20, int number of pages, float price and it close the structure. So, declaring the variable of a structure, after defining a structure format, we can declare the variable of that type. A structure variable declaration is similar to the declaration of variable of any other data type. It includes the elements like the keyword struct, the structure tag name, list of variable name separated by the comma and a terminating semicolon. Next is assessing the structure members. We can assess and assign the values to the member of a structure in a number of ways. As the member of a structure are not the variable, so this should be linked to the structure variable in order to make them meaningful members. The link between the member and the variable is established using the member operator, which is the dot operator or a period operator. Consider book1.price is a variable representing the price of a book 1 and can be treated like any other ordinary variable. We can use scanf statement to assign the values like scanf for the percentile is book1.file. As well as you can see the examples related to the structure on the screen. Next is initializing structure. Like any other data type, we can initialize structure at the compile time. We can see like in the program, the structure assign the value 65 to s1.weight and 5.9 to the s1.height. There is one-to-one correspondence between the member and their initializing value. So, C language does not permit the initialization of individual structure members within the template. The initialization must be done only in the declaration of the actual variables. So, compile time initialization of a structure variable must have the following elements like the keyword struct, the structure tag name, the name of the variable to be declared, the assignment operator and the set of values for member of the structure variable separated by commas and enclosed in the braces. Next is structure passing to functions. We can pass structure as arguments to the functions. Unlike array name, however, which always point to the start of the array, and the structure name are not the pointers. As a result, when we change structure parameter inside a function, it does not affect its corresponding arguments. There are three methods by which the value of a structure can be passed from one function to another. The three steps are: first is pass each member of the structure as an actual argument to the function call. The actual arguments are then treated independently like the ordinary variables. Second is pass a copy of the entire structure to the called function. Since the method is call by value, any changes and the structure member within the function are not reflected in the original structure. The third method define the concept of pointers, where the address location of the structure is passed to the called function. That's all about the structure. So I hope you understand the lecture. Thank you very much.